everyone, it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, as you can see, I am currently in a different location, and that is because I am in Asmara, Eritrea, in my grandma's house.
Hi!
Yes, and today we are going to be showing you one of my absolute favorite Eritrean breakfasts, which is called KICHA FIT FIT. I am very happy to show you guys, especially because I'm here in Eritrea. The whole theme combines really well. So without further ado, let's dive in. You are going to start off by adding half a kilo of plain or wholemeal flour to a big bowl. Next, add around half a teaspoon of salt. And now mix up the dry ingredients. Now you're going to slowly pour in some room temperature water while mixing the mixture. So as you can see, I've started mixing the mixture with a wooden spoon. However, as the mixture gets stickier, I'd advise you to transfer to your hands, as this will make the process much easier. Next, grease a pan with oil and let it heat up. Mix your sticky dough one more time and pour around a handful to your heated pan. Now here you need to slowly move around the dough until it reaches all edges of the pan, but please be careful and avoid burning yourself. Instead, you can use a spoon that has been dipped in water and move the dough around to all the corners of the pan. Just please be careful and avoid yourself from getting burnt. Half of the kicha has already finished cooking, so you're going to flip it over just as you would with a regular pancake, and you can do this with a spatula. Once your kicha is looking like our one, nicely golden and not burnt, you may remove your kicha from the pan and carry on making more. While my grandma is making more kichas, I have started to tear up a kicha into small bite-sized pieces, and if the kicha is too hot for you, let it cool down and don't worry about it getting cold, as you will be heating it up later. Once you've finished tearing up all your kicha into small pieces, they will end up looking like this. You now need an Eritrean spice called berbere and tesmi, which is a traditional Eritrean butter. To a heated pot, you're going to add around 3 heaped tablespoons of tesmi. Once your tesmi has melted, you're going to add 2 heaped tablespoons of berbere. Now obviously everyone's spice levels are different, so you can put as much as you want. Gently mix in your berbere to your tesmi and let it heat up. Add in your KICHA FIT FIT to your berbere tesmi mix and ensure everything is combined and heated well. You may also need to add in some more tesmi if your KICHA FIT FIT is looking a bit dry, so please feel free to do so. Once everything is heated and mixed well, your KICHA FIT FIT is done and it's now time to serve. You may also want to drink some spiced tea along with it. Adding some plain yogurt to your KICHA FIT FIT will take it to the next level. We hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!